Make sure you have a lawyer who is familiar with landlord laws in your state. Draft up a lease contract that you give to all of your tenants that they sign. Not doing this could potentially put you at risk of a nasty lawsuit. There's all sorts of different people out there. So if you really want to protect yourself from any nasty lawsuits, and trust me, I've seen some terrible ones, you will want to make sure you have a good lease contract in place. So here's a bonus funny story to that. I have a buddy who also does taxes, and he has a client out in the Los Angeles area. Long story short, there was a tenant that was staying at my buddy's client's rental property, and this was during the 2020-2021, the COVID era, right? And there were a few rules that came out that basically said that landlords were not allowed to kick out tenants for not paying their rent. And I get it, it's COVID, people didn't have the funds. And so I do agree somewhat to some of these laws that were there to protect these people. However, this person took advantage of the laws, and they didn't pay any rent in 2020, 2021, or 2022, and then in 2023 they still weren't paying rent. So this person finally decided to go in and evict them. However, the tables turned because they turned around and sued them, and they won in court and didn't have to pay back any of the back rent